Hiya, my name's Bradley. I work for a bespoke company called Neptune. We have just recently been given some of your shoes and some of your shoe covers, which I have to say is a really, really good product. The first thing I'm going to get to is the material that you guys have used for the shoe cover is really good because it actually hugs your feet and feels really, really comfortable. And it's super easy to maintain, to keep them clean, and to keep them looking presentable, because we do have to go inside customers' houses and install the furniture, so from going in and out of the van and stuff, your feet can get really dirty. Now these are the ones that we are currently using, which are, they do the job, but they're not the best. We've just got a slight elastic bit around here, I don't know if you can see that, and it just basically goes around the foot. And quite a common mistake with these things is that we can stand on them because they're quite baggy as we're going up the stairs, and it can fall off our feet. We can ruin the customer's carpet, or we can actually put ourselves in danger. With these, it's a really tight fit, and it's really good on the eye. It looks super professional, and it doesn't look like a shower cap. Overall, I'd say it's a 10 out of 10. Cheers.